In this video, we'll go through the initial setup process for the Boox Go 6 Gen 2 tablet. To begin, power on the tablet by pressing and holding the power button located at the top of the tablet for a few seconds until the screen flashes and the Boox logo appears on screen. It will take a few moments to then start up. You'll be asked to select your language. Select your language and then tap the Next button at the bottom right. Next, set your location. First, select your region. I'll select the United States. Then select your time zone. Tap the black Next button at the bottom right to continue. You can set the power options for your Boox tablet, including after how many minutes of inactivity the device goes to sleep, as well as after how many minutes of inactivity the device turns off. You can also change these settings at any time from the Settings app later on. Next, you can set up if you would like to use gestures for navigation or have a bottom navigation bar. I'm going to select Navigation Bar, which also gives me options as to what order I would like the buttons in. Tap the Next button to continue. Now, you can enable or disable various swipe gestures. There is an option to swipe up and down on the left edge of the screen to change volume, as well as an option to swipe in from the right or left edge of the screen to navigate back. Next, you can connect the Boox InkSense Plus stylus to your tablet if you have one. From my experience, I found I needed to plug in my stylus via USB-C to power to charge it for a few seconds before it would recognize it. After charging for a few seconds, right on the screen to connect the stylus to the tablet. Then tap the Next button. If you don't have a pen, tap Skip at the top right. Setup is now complete, and you can now use your Boox Go 6 Gen 2 tablet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, and subscribe for more content like this, including more videos on using and configuring your Boox tablet. Thanks for watching. Until next time.